the Dashers. We not worried about all of them. Don't get it twisted. We not trying to save everybody. No. No. Hell no. We done with that. We not trying to save everybody. We just trying to save as many as we can. We are done trying to save the whole world from taking no-tip orders. It's going to be some dummies out there. Hey, you can't stop it. So you might as well keep it moving. But where can you make your money? We got 16 bucks for 12 miles, guys. That's a decline. That's for a new driver. Somebody need to learn how this shit work. And they going to learn by taking that order in the snow. Don't let it be you. Everybody ain't going to make it. We just got to make sure y'all do. That's the assignment. Everybody ain't going to make it. And we got a $10 cash tip from that one customer. So damn, we had 138. 138 bucks, didn't it? Sure did. You know what? Let's just pause DoorDash for a second. And then we'll just run up in here real quick. Get us Red Bull. And then we'll stop somewhere else and get some fries. Blunts MMA. I'm rolling Spark and loving it. Let's go. I'm glad you're doing good on Spark tonight. It's hit or miss with the markets on Spark. Everybody ain't having a good experience, but I'm glad you is. It's the first place I walked in, ain't got no music playing. Ooh, they got the 2 for $5, but let's just go ahead. Let's just get us one of these. This can feel flat as hell. Hey, yo. What's up? Do DoorDash increase the order amount like Uber Eats? Sometimes. Situationally. You all good, boss. Take your time.
This is buy two, get one free right now.
Buy two, get one free. $12?
No, 12 ounce. Buy two, get one free.
Oh, nah, yeah, that's all good. They already $4. It's all good.
Look for $8 for 3 of them.
I only need one. I appreciate it, though.
Bro.
I need one, and I need to keep this $4.
Thank you. See you later.
Appreciate it. All right, guys, we got wings. Let's get the fuck up out of here, man. He tried to upsell me. Y'all heard that shit, bro? I'm like, no, bro. I don't need that much Red Bull, bro. Quit trying to upsell me. He say, nah, you gonna get this Red Bull, nigga. You gonna get this Red Bull. He say it's buy two, get one free. Nigga, they already $5. Like, what the hell? Red Bull don't need you to upsell, nigga. They sell that shit everywhere. They don't need you to sell it. I promise you that. Woo! I might have to put this other jacket back on. Woo! This man smoking that cigarette out there, boy. He tripping, y'all. It's cold. No lie. It's cold. Let me warm up a little bit before I start sipping on this Red Bull. Listen. It is cold. Woo! Have you tried Ghost or Rain? Oh no, Ghost. Those, man, I ain't tried them yet. Nah, I ain't tried them yet. You play Madden? Hell yeah, I play Madden. It's been a minute, but I get down though. I get down. Take all orders, it pays out the same. I hate when people say that shit. It makes my soul hurt. Damn, how far behind in the chat am I? Did you guys notice the new member emojis? I make 1K90 a week. 1K90. I can't wait to see Walmart's cameras when I pull up in the 2019 jacked up Silverado. That man working overtime for Red Bull. Let's see, what the hell is this market? Planet Hibachi. We got $13 for 6.4. Nah, I'm good on that. I'm good on that.